Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about how to remember branches of facial nerve. Now you know facial nerve is the seventh cranial nerve. It is a nerve of second pharyngeal arch. So all the muscles derived from second pharyngeal arch will be supplied by facial nerve. Now facial nerve gives total 11 branches along its course. So let's see how to remember these 11 branches. Now facial nerve enters into petrous temporal bone, and within petrous temporal bone it gives three branches. Then it comes out from stylomastoid foramen, and here it gives another three branches, and finally it enters into parotid gland where it gives terminal five branches. Okay, so total 3 plus 3 plus 5 are 11 branches. Now how to remember these branches? So first three branch within petrous temporal bone. For that there is a mnemonic you need to remember is P, S and C. So this P stands for greater petrosal nerve. Now this nerve will join with petrosal nerve to form nerve to pterygoid canal, and that will end up into pterygopalatine ganglion. Basically it is carrying preganglionic parasympathetic fibers for the lacrimal gland, nasal glands and palatine glands. Now this S stands for nerve to stapedius. Obviously it will be supplying stapedius muscle. And the C stands for chorda tympani. That is a mixed nerve that is carrying preganglionic parasympathetic fibers for submandibular and sublingual glands, as well as it is carrying taste sensations from anterior two-thirds of the tongue except valid papilla. So within petrous temporal bone it gives these three branches, and for that you can remember this mnemonic P, S and C. Now it comes out through this stylomastoid foramen to enter into the infratemporal fossa, where it gives another three branch, and for that you need to remember another mnemonic is P, S and P. So this first P stands for posterauricular nerve, and that will supply mainly occipital belly of occipiter frontalis. This S stands for stylohyoid branch, and that will supply stylohyoid muscle. And this P stands for posterior belly of digastric branch, so that will supply posterior belly of digastric. So outside the stylomastoid foramen, just before it pierces the parotid gland, it gives another three branches. So total now you remember is 6 branches. Now there are 5 terminal branches, and for that again you need to remember another mnemonic, and that is TZ BMC. Okay, so T stands for temporal, Z stands for zygomatic branch, B stands for buccal. Again it will divide into upper and lower buccal. M stands for marginal mandibular. Always speak marginal mandibular, as mandibular nerve itself is one of the division of trigeminal nerve. So here this M stands for marginal mandibular. And this C stands for cervical. So these 5 terminal branches are given within the substance of parotid gland, and this will supply almost all the muscles of facial expression. So this is how via these 3 cores it gives 3 plus 3 plus 5 total 11 branches, and with these 3 mnemonics PSC, PSP and TZBMC you can remember all 11 branches. Hope you have understood well. Thanks for watching.